Good afternoon, students. How are you today all? I hope you all are safe and healthy by our God's grace. Dear students, today we are going to see the continuation of revision, okay, for your examination. Let's start now. Okay, so now today we are going to see order of operation. I already taught you order of operation bit mass. Okay, first give the preference for bracket. We complete first bracket, after division, after multiplication, and addition and subtraction. Last we take subtraction. Okay, see the example sum, very important, it will come to your exam also. So see, simplify 24 plus 2 into 8 divide by 2 minus 1. Okay, so first you see here, here not comes any brackets. Okay, so first we give the preference for division. 8 divide by 2, 8 divide by 2. In 2 table, when comes number 8, 2 4s are 8. So here 8 divided by 2, we get the answer is 4. So next take the operation of multiplication. 2 4s are 8. Okay, see the second. Next one. Next you take the addition. 24 plus 8, we get the answer is 32 minus 1. Okay, so therefore the answer is 31. Can you understand this? Okay, in the left side they have some. Okay, next one, go to the next example. 20 plus 8 into 2 plus they are open the set bracket. After one bracket is having 6 into 3 minus 10 divide by 5. Okay, they closing their brackets. First you see the brackets now. 10 divide by 5. So what answer in 5 table, when we comes 10, 2 5s are 10. So here the answer is 2. Next you take 6 3s are 18. Okay, so next 18 minus 2, we get the answer is 16. So next multiplication, 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 16, we get the answer is 32. So therefore finally 20 plus 32, we get the answer is 52. Okay, can you understand this? Yes. Go to next exercise 1.3. If Arunmali saves rupees 12 per day, then she saves rupees 360 in 30 days. Okay, so we multiple 12 and 30, we get the answer is 360. Go to the next. If a person A earns rupees 1800 in 12 days, then he earns rupees 150 in a day. Okay, so therefore here 1800 for 12 days. Okay, so he earns for one day they are asking, so divide the number 1800 divide by 12. So next you see 45 divide 7 plus 8 minus 2. 7 plus 8 is 15. 45 divided by 15, we get the answer is 3. 3 minus 2, we get the answer is 1. Okay, say true or false. You see here, check the answer. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 3 75, but here coming 96. It's not a correct answer, it is false. Next one you see here, 7 into 20 minus 4 equal to 136. It's a correct answer. 40 plus 56 minus 6 divided by 2 equal to 45. So it's a not correct answer, it is false. Okay, see the question answers in your classwork, and then let's see. The number of people who visited the public library for the past 5 months were 1200, 2000, 2450. They given number. Okay, 5 numbers are given. So how many people visited the library? How many? They are asking the question, how many? So that means add all the numbers. That's it. Okay, if you add all the numbers, you will get the answer. Total people visited 11,910. So go to the next question. Charan had a bank savings rupees 7,50,250. He withdraw 5,34,500. Okay, for educational purpose. Find the balance amount in his account. Okay, they are asking balance. Okay, if the word coming remaining, left, these words are coming, you take the subtraction. Okay, so now you subtract the two numbers, you will get the answer. Go to the next question. In a cycle factory, 1560 bicycles were manufactured every day. Find the number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days. Okay, So here number of bicycles manufactured in one day is given. We are going to be find out for 25 days. So we multiple the both numbers, you will get the answer is 39,000. Okay, see the multiplication clearly and put the answer correctly. Okay, go to the sixth question. Rupees 62,500 was equally distributed as a new year bonus for 25 employees of a company. How much did each receive? Okay, so this number we are going to be find out for one person. Okay, so the number, total number is divided by number 25. Okay, so you will get the answer 2,500. Okay, so see this in your classwork, refer your classwork and simplify the following numeral expressions. 10 plus 17 divided by 3, very simple and easy. 10 plus 17 is 27 divided by 3. In 9 times comes in 3 table as 27. Okay, so the answer is 9. Okay, so go to the next one. Okay, this one also the same example sum method. Okay, refer your classwork. Okay, so let's go to the next exercise. Okay, see the exercise 1.4, fill in the blanks. The nearest 100 of 843 is 800. The nearest 1000 of 756 is 1000. The nearest 10,000 of this number is 90,000. Okay, so how can we find the rounding of numbers? I am already taught you, so once again we recall this. Okay, so see, say true or false. 8,567 is rounded off as 8,600 to the nearest 10 value. Okay, so here nearest 10 means in tens place have number 6. See the left side number. Okay, see the right side number have number 7. Okay, number 7 is having it is above 5, so we add one number to the number 6. Okay, therefore the answer should become 8,570, but they given 8,600, so it's not a correct answer, it is a false. Okay, go to next one. 139 is rounded off as 100, so it's correct answer. Go to the next one. Rounding of the given number is 1 crore 70 lakhs to the nearest lakhs place. Okay, in lakhs place have the number is 0. See the left side number is 5, so we it is equal to 5, so add the number 1 to the place value of lakhs. So therefore 1 crore 71 lakhs will become. So here the answer is false, so it is false. Go to the next. Look at the digit to its right side. Okay, see the question. Round off the following. Okay, given number is 4,065. Okay, hundreds place. In hundreds place have the number is 0. See the right side number is 6. Okay, so it is above 5. Okay, so it is above 5, so the answer we add 1 to the place value of hundreds place. So therefore the answer is 4,100. Okay, so here you add 1 after all the numbers will be 0, so we get the answer is 4,100. So see the next number is in thousands place. In thousands place have the number is 4. See the right side number is 5, it is equal to 5, so add the number 1 to the place value of 4. Okay, therefore answer is 45,000. Okay, so we get the answer is 45,000. Can you understand this? Let's move to the next question. Okay, estimate the round of each number to the nearest hundreds place. Okay, 8,074 plus 4,178. So here actual value is given. Actual value is for nearest hundreds place is 8,100. This number for 4,200. If you add the number, you will get the answer is 12,300. Okay, that is the answer for this question, very important. Okay, refer your classwork also. So go to the next exercise. Okay, let's see now exercise 1.5. Name of the properties. So 75 plus 34 equal to 34 plus 75. It is a commutative property of addition. So if you come 3 numbers in the condition, you take the property name is associative property. Okay, so next 50 plus 0 equal to 50. 0 is an identity for addition. 1 is the identity for multiplication. Okay, keep it in your mind. So next 50 into 42 equal to 50 into 40. You take 42, you take 40 plus 2. Okay, we take the number 50 into 40 plus 50 into 2. Okay, so here the answer should become what is the property name? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay. Okay, let's see now very important questions. Mullaikudi has 25 bags of apples and in each bag there are 9 apples. C shares them equally among her 6 friends. How many apples do each get, or there any apples left over? So total number of bags are 25. Each bags contain 9 apples. So therefore total apples equal to 25 into 9, we get the answer 225. So number of friends is 6. So divide the number by 6. We get the answer is 37. Okay, each friends get 37 apples. Remaining 3 apples. Okay, that's it. Okay, go to the next one. A poultry has produced 15,472 eggs and fits 30 eggs in a tray. How many trays do they need? Very important questions. Okay, total number of eggs is given. Number of eggs in one tray is 30. So therefore number of trays we needed. So they divide the both numbers. Okay, we get the answer is 515. The division you will see, refer your classwork and clearly do that the division. Okay, 550 trays will be get from here. So number of trays needed 515 plus 1 tray for 22 remaining eggs. Okay, therefore total tray for here 516. Okay, can you understand this? Yes, today class is over. You need to study all the exercise 1.1 to 1.6. okay, very important, and also you need to study geometry. Okay, so today your homework is write all the 1 marks from exercise 1.3 to 1.5. okay, so thank you children, have a nice day, bye bye.